Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 11 part 6, that is mensuration. In previous part we have discussed exercise 11.2 up to question number 10. And in this part we are going to discuss question number 11 and some other important question from R.S. Agrawal. Now question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions equals to 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter and inner dimension 60 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Now simply this is the frame as given in the figure, whose outer dimension is given 28 centimeter into 24 centimeter. So length is 28 centimeter and breadth is 24 centimeter. And inner dimension is also given here. Length is 20 centimeter and breadth will be 16 centimeter. Now one more thing is also given here. The width of each section is same. That means simply the width, that means this length, this is the width of the frame, so the width is same in each section. Now the width is, this width is for this section. Now this is also width for this section. This is also width for this section, and this one is also width from this section. Now the width of all four sections is same. So let's suppose this is first section, this is second section, and this will be third section, and this is fourth section. Now what we have to do, we have to find the area of each section. So simply, the students please see here, for section 1, this section is in the shape of trapezium as shown in figure, and this side is given 16 centimeter, so it will be also become 16 centimeter. Now this is 24 centimeter, so this will be also 24 centimeter. Now for section first, the length of parallel side will be 16 centimeter and 24 centimeter. This is in the shape of trapezium. Now what is the width of this section? Simply the total height is given for outer dimension, that is 28 centimeter, and length is also given in inner dimension, that is 20 centimeter. That's mean 28 centimeter and this will be 20 centimeter. If we subtract from 28 to 20, then what will be left? 28 minus 20, that is 8 centimeter. So the length of this width and this width will be 8 centimeter, and each width are equal. That means it will be 4 centimeter and it will be also 4 centimeter. Okay. Now this is 4 centimeter and this will be also 4 centimeter width here. Similarly, section first and section third having same dimension, parallel side are 24 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and width are 4 centimeter. Simply for third section, the parallel sides are 16 centimeter and 24 centimeter, and width are 4 centimeter. So the area of both section, or you can say both trapezium, will be same because the parameters which is given here is also the same. So simply area of section first equals to area of section third. Both the area will be same because the parameters which is given here is also the same. Sum of parallel sides, that is 24 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Similarly, for third section, the sum of parallel side, that is 16 centimeter and 24 centimeter. And the width are same, that is 4 centimeter. And for third section is also 4 centimeter. So the area of section first and section third will be same. So simply just find the area of section first and third. First we have to find this area of section first. Equals to this is first section, so this is in the shape of trapezium, so the area of trapezium will be half sum of parallel side, that is 24 plus 16 into width, or you can say height. So width is 4 centimeter. So just simplify it. So 2 2 is 4, 24 plus 16, that is 40 into 2, that is 80 centimeter square. So area of section first will be 80 centimeter square, and we also know that the area of section third is same as the area of section first, so it will be also 80 centimeter square. Similarly, we have to find area of section second and section 4. So simply it is, the length is given here 28 centimeter, so it will be also 28 centimeter, because as given in the figure the length is same. So this is 28 centimeter, so it will be also 28 centimeter. Now this length, the inner length is 20 centimeter as it given here, so it will be also 20 centimeter, this length, inner length. Now we have to find width of these two sections. So the length is outer breadth is given 24 centimeter and inner is given here 16 centimeter. So if you subtract from 16 from 24, then what will be left? 24 minus 16, that is 8 centimeter. So the width of this and this one is 8 centimeter, and the width is equal, so it will be 4 centimeter. It is also 4 centimeter. Now simply the area of second section and fourth section is in the shape of trapezium. Now the area of for second section, the sum of parallel side, that is given 28 centimeter, this is outer dimension, and 20 centimeter, that is inner dimension, and width is 4 centimeter. Similarly, the area of section 4 will be, the sum of parallel side will be 28 centimeter, and this will be 20 centimeter, and width will be 4 centimeter. Now the area of second and fourth section will be same, so just find the area of second and fourth section. Area of section second equals to area of section 4 will be same, so just find the area of section second. That is, the formula will be the area of trapezium. This is in the shape of trapezium, so area of trapezium will be 1 by 2 sum of parallel side, that is 20 plus 28 into height, that is height. Here width is given 4 centimeter. So just simplify it. 2 to the 4, cancel out. Now 20 plus 28, that is 48 into 2. So it will be 96 centimeter square. Now the area of section second will be 96 centimeter square, and we know that the area of section second equals to the area of section 4. So here area of section 4 is equals to 96 centimeter square. Now this is the area of all 4 sections. Simply this is the explanation of question number 11, and here the whole exercise of 11.2, the questions of exercise 11.2 will be discussed. Now the next question, there are some other questions from R.S. Agrawal. Here the exercise 11.2 is completed. Now some other questions from R.S. Agrawal. These are very important questions. Now the question is given here. The area of trapezium is 180 centimeter square and its height is 9 centimeter. So what is given here? Area of trapezium equals to 180 centimeter square and its height is 9 centimeter. So height is given 9 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is longer than other by 6 centimeter. So let's suppose one of the parallel side is x centimeter and the other will be longer than other by 6 centimeter. That means x plus 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter longer, so this will be x plus 6 centimeter. Find the length of the longer side. So simply these parameters are given, and let's suppose just write down the formula of trapezium, that is area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel side, that is a plus b into h, height. So just put the value from this formula. The area of trapezium, that is given here 180 centimeter square, equals to half sum of parallel side, that is a plus b. So a is x centimeter plus b is given here x plus 6 centimeter. Height is 9 centimeter. Now just simplify it. So it will be 180 equals to half x plus 6, that is 2x plus 6 into 9. Now just simplify it. That is 180. 2 is divided into 180 and 9 is 2 is multiplied into 180, so it is 180 into 2, and 9 is divided, so this is 9 equals to 2x plus 6. Now just simplify it. 9 2 is 18, 20, so it will be 20 into 2, that is 40, equals to 2x plus 6. Now 2x equals to 40 minus 6, that is 34, and x equals to here 34 upon 2, that is 17 centimeter. So here x equals to 17 centimeter. Now a is x centimeter and b will be x plus 6. So another side will be x plus 6. This equals to, just put the value 17 plus 6. So it will be 23 centimeter. Now this is A equals to 17 centimeter and B equals to 23 centimeter. This is B, we can write. So B equals to 23 centimeter and this is A equals to X equals to 17 centimeter. Now these are the explanation of this question. Now the next question is, find the area of the given pentagon ABCDE. Now this is pentagon is given here ABCDE. Now how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sides, that means it's a pentagon. Now in which each one of BF, CH and EG is perpendicular to AD. Now BF, CH and EG is perpendicular to AD. Now these three are the perpendiculars on base AD, you can say base AD, such that AF equals to 9 centimeter, AG equals to 13 centimeter. Now AF equals to 9 centimeter, so this is AF. AG equals to 13 centimeter, so this is AG. AH equals to 19 centimeter, so this will be A in AH, 19 centimeter. AD equals to 24 centimeter, so AD, this is the total base of this figure. This is 24 centimeter. BF equals to 6 centimeter, so this is BF perpendicular. CH equals to 8 centimeter, and this will be CH equals to 8 centimeter. EG equals to 9 centimeter. These all the parameters are given and we have to find the area of this pentagon. So let's see, students, what type of figures is drawn in this pentagon. So ABF, this is a triangle which is drawn here. Let's suppose this is first section. BFHC. Now BF and CH are the perpendiculars on AD, so BF is parallel to CH. And this BC is and FH is not non-parallel sides. So this is trapezium. BCHF is a trapezium where BF and CH are the parallel lines and BC and FH are non-parallel lines. So let's suppose this is section second. Now third will be HCD. This is a triangle. So let's suppose this is third section. Now the next section is DGE. This is a shape of triangle. Let's suppose this is fourth section. Now GEA. This is also triangle. Let's suppose this is fifth section. Now area of pentagon. We have to find the area of pentagon. So if we add the area of section first, area of section second, area of section third, area of section fourth, area of section 5, then simply we can get the area of whole pentagon. So just write here area of section first plus area of section second plus area of section third plus area of section fourth plus area of section 5. Now simply area of section first. This is in the shape of triangle ABF. Now the height is BF and base is AF. So the area will be half into base into height. So half, base is AF into height is BF. This is the area of first section. plus area of second section, that is BFHC. This is in the shape of trapezium where BF and CH are parallel sides. Now the formula will be half sum of parallel sides, that means BF plus CH. Into height, so height will be FH because BF and CH are parallel lines and FH is the distance between the parallel sides. So we can write F into FH. So this is the area of second section. Now the area of third section will be, this is in the shape of triangle CHD. So half into base is HD into height is CH plus area of 4 and 5. So simply the area of fourth section and fifth section. So it will be form also a triangle, that is AED. The area of fourth section and fifth section get together to form a triangle, that is AED. So simply we can write half into base, that is AD, into height, that is GE. Now this is the area of fourth and fifth together. Now just put the value half AF. AF is given here 9 centimeter. Half into 9 centimeter into BF. BF is given 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter plus half BF plus CH. So BF is 6 centimeter. CH is given 8 centimeter. And FH is here FH. That means FG plus GH. So here FH we have to find, FH this side we have to find. So AD is given here, that is 24 centimeter. AF is given, that is 9 centimeter. Let's suppose HD we have to find. So the AD is 24 centimeter. So AD minus AH, that will be HD. So HD equals to, we can write AD minus AH. So HD equals to AD minus AH. So HD is left here. So AD is given here 24 centimeter minus AH is given here 19 centimeter. So let's suppose 24 minus 19, that will be 5 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find FH. So FH, this length we have to find. So FH equals to total AD, that is 24 centimeter, minus sum of AF and HD. So AF is given here 9 centimeter plus HD. Recently we have to find here, we are finding that is 5 centimeter. So this will be 24 minus 9 plus 5, that is 14. So 24 minus 14, that is 10 centimeter. Now FH is 10 centimeter plus half into HD is given here 5 centimeter. CH is given here, this is CH. CH is 8 centimeter plus half into AD, that is 24 centimeter, into GE, that is EG 9 centimeter. Just simplify it. So 2 3 is 6, 9 3 is 27, plus 2 5 is 10. Now 6 plus 8, that is 14. 14 into 5, that is 70, plus 2 4 is 8, and 4 into 5, that is 5 4 is 20, plus 12. 12 9 is 108. Now just add this. So 7 plus 8, that is 15. 5 carry 1, 3, 10, 12. 2 carry 1, that is 2. 2 to 5 centimeter square. Now this is the area of total pentagon A, B, C, D, E, A. Now the next question, that is question number. The question is given here. Find the area of the given hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F in which each side measures 5 centimeter, height B equals to 11 centimeter, and width FD equals to 8 centimeter. Now this is pentagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Simply a line which is BE, which is divided the pentagon in equal part, you can say, because why I am saying BE is divided into equal parts, because the total breadth is given 8 centimeter and FL is 4 centimeter, then this width will be also 4 centimeter, because 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. Now simply this length is given 11 centimeter, so BE is also 11 centimeter, so this will be also 11 centimeter. Okay students, this is point L. CD is 5 centimeter, so AF is equal to CD as shown in the figure, so this will be also 5 centimeter. Now simply here we have to find the area of hexagon. So if we, let's suppose the section A, B, E, F, this is first section, and B, C, D, E, B, this is second section. These two sections are given here, and we have to find the area of these two sections and just add this. Then we can get the area of total hexagon. Now the section first is in the shape of trapezium, where AF and BE is the parallel sides and FL will be the distance of parallel sides. Similarly, for section 2, the BE and CD are the parallel lines and LD are the width of the, or you can say, distance between the parallel lines. So there are these two trapeziums which we have to find the area of these trapeziums. Now area of first section, the formula will be half into sum of parallel sides. So parallel sides are AF and BE, where AF is 5 centimeter plus BE is 11 centimeter, and width will be 4 centimeter. You can say the length between the parallel sides, that is FL. This is 4 centimeter given here. Now just simplify it. 2 2 is 4. Now 5 plus 11, that is 16 into 2, that is 16 2 is 32 centimeter square. Now this is 32 centimeter square is the area of section first. Now the area of section second, half into sum of parallel sides. So this is 11 and 5 centimeter. So BE and CD are the parallel lines. So 11 plus 5 centimeter into the length of between the parallel side is 4 centimeter. Now just simplify it. 2 2 is 4. 11 plus 5, that is 16 into 2, same area, 32 centimeter square. Now total area of hexagon equals to area of first section plus area of second section. Now just add this area of first section, that is 32 centimeter square, plus area of second section, it will be also 32 centimeter square. Now 2 plus 2, that is 4, 3 plus 3, that is 6, 64 centimeter square. Now this is the answer, and this is the area of this total hexagon. Now thank you so much, students. This is the complete explanation of this part. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt and queries, you can comment in the comment box, as well as you can send the message in class 8 WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, students.